Hey guys, in today's video we are going to be looking at the Canon Powershot A1400 HD. This is just a good camera if you want to make sure you have a high megapixel count, 16 megapixels, and a 720p video recording, which is good. And it's nice and compact, almost as big as your phone. Maybe a little bit smaller actually, but it's about as big as your phone, and it's retractable lenses, so as you can see it pops out from the body, and as you can see it is very compact. As you can see, it does have a 5x zoom, so if you don't need a lot of zoom but you do need to zoom in a little bit, you can zoom in. So so we are just reviewing it today. So it does have 720p video recording. So when you need to record a video, it will record. It is 720p high definition, 60 megapixel photos, and about the highest quality camera you can get. 5x zoom, 720p video, and I am recording the video test right now. One of the drawbacks on this camera though is that while you're recording your HD video, you could only zoom in using digital zoom, so you're not actually using that 5x zoom that's included with the lens in this camera. But it's a very nice though, very nice quality. Making sure you have a high megapixel count on your camera. It is 60 megapixels, 5x zoom, and just very nice overall. But it is very nice. This is our review on the Canon Powershot A1400 HD. I am recording the video test right now. One of the drawbacks on this camera though is that while you're recording your HD video, you could only zoom in using digital zoom, so you're not actually using that 5x zoom that's included with the lens in this camera. But it's a very nice though, very